friends, welcome back. It is time for another drop sale sneaky peek. So I will be showing you about 8 of the 20 items that will be available in my drop sale tomorrow. Now remember, my drop sales are no longer on YouTube. They go live on my Etsy shop, and my Etsy link is in the description below. And on my Instagram, if you click on my profile, there's a link tree link, and that'll take you to my links also, and you can save my Etsy shop. So let me go ahead and give you a little preview of some of the goodies. We have spring coming, Easter coming, and then I have some glass and boho because it's me. You know I'm gonna have that in there. So the first item I have is this cool blue rabbit glass. Now I do believe this is a lid that belongs to something, and it's just this really cool cobalt blue rabbit. Now there is a little bit of chipping right here where like a slice was taken off, so it's a little rough, but I still thought this would be really pretty for someone who collects glass. Now I do believe I put a light on this and it does not glow. There is a seam mark across the top here, but otherwise this guy is super cute for if you want something a little different in your Easter decor. If you're more of a glass collector like me, this would be a great piece, and if it doesn't sell, it might go in my collection. We'll see. Next up, I have something for the swan lovers. I have this pretty black towel holder. It is a black ceramic swan. You can see the ceramic work on the bottom. Great for in a bathroom to roll up some towels, or if you have another way to display it. Kind of a nice, sleek mid-century piece too, just with the black. I love the black pottery. So that will be available tomorrow. And if you're curious, if you're still not sure about these Etsy drop sales or how it works, what happens is that tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern, if you go to my Etsy shop, you'll see there's sections right now that say all in the kitchen, whatever, things like that. Well, at 8 a.m. tomorrow, a new section will appear that says drop sale, and it's only available for 72 hours. So the items are slightly discounted from what I would normally list them at. And the price is only good for 72 hours, and it's 20 items. So all you have to do is click on that drop sale section, look through, add the items you like to your cart, just like you do on Amazon. Just add the items to your cart. And when you go to checkout, there's a little box that says checkout as guest. So you don't have to sign up, you don't have to have a profile, you don't have to deal with any of that. And if you're worried about using your credit card, they accept PayPal. So you can check to check out with PayPal. So you can still use PayPal, you don't have to sign up, but what you'll get is you'll get a good view of what your cost is gonna be as you're checking out, because it'll give you your shipping and everything. So it might ask you for your zip code. Well, it's gonna ask you for your address and zip code so it knows where to ship the item, but you don't have to set up a profile, which I would ask you for that anyway to ship to you. So let's see. What else? Easter. If you like more of the traditional country look, I have this super cute hooped quilted bunny that someone handmade. There is a little yellowing on the back, but it's a nice little quilted hooped rabbit piece. So that is going to be available. A little bit of country mixed with all my glass and mid-century and boho, trying to mix it up a little bit. And then for you tin lovers, this is a replica Coca Cola tin. I loved the girl's face on it and the age. It's got a really great patina. I could see this on a dresser top being great for vintage storage, or even if like you're doing photos, I could see an item on here with like pearls draped off it. It's just got a really great faux patina to it. This isn't super older. It does have some age on the interior. Just a fun staging piece and storage piece for a dresser. So I thought I'd put that in there for you guys. It does have some permanent fingerprints on the bottom. I don't know what that's about. And then I have some more glass, and now this looks black, but guys, this is purple amethyst. So when you hold this up to the light, this is bright purple on the inside. So it's a beautiful blown glass. It's got the smooth pontile. It's super lightweight, ruffle top. This guy is about 4¼ inches tall. Another great glass collection piece, but I'm going to let you guys have first dibs at this. And again, when you hold it up to the light, it's got a beautiful purple on the inside. And now I don't have any brooches in this sale, guys. I do have a couple of necklaces that you'll see when you come to the drop. Those are gonna be a surprise. Then for like my strawberry lovers with spring, I have this cute little Avon strawberry bottle, and it's got the original cork top that doesn't want to come out, and I don't want to break it. Come on. It's been sitting in the garage, so there we go. See? And a lot of times you find these and they don't have the top anymore, but this, no smell, it does have the top, and it's still very secure. There we go. Cute little display piece, again, a vanity piece, spring coming. And now for my Mexican pottery lovers, this is not a tonala piece because it is not marked tonala. It's not marked. It just says Mexico on the back. It is a kitty cat. It is a very lovely Mexico folk art kitty cat ceramic piece. See that? So I have been saving, I scored a bunch of Mexican pottery at the flea market last year, so I've been slowly divvying it out. This is 5 1/4 inches long by 4 1/2 inches tall. So this beauty will be available in the drop sale tomorrow as well. And last, for those of you who love quilting, I have, okay, so I had bought these originally from Misty, Thrifter, Drunker, Vintage Hunter to try to have a quilt done, but that didn't work out. So I believe there are 25 patches. Now, the fabric is very thin and vintage, and there is some staining, but if you are a quilter, there are, I believe, 25 of these. And they're all vintage fabrics. They're probably about 13 by 13 squares. I'll have more details in the listing. But you can see there's a little spot there. So if you're looking for some vintage fabric, now some of these are unfinished on the end, so it's more like a scrap lot. The fabric's very thin, so it does need a backing. See, this one has some staining because it's made from old fabrics. They're all the starbursts in different colors. They haven't been treated. So this lot will go up tomorrow also. Like this one has a little hole in the center where the fabric's worn through because it was so, like, such an older fabric. So you'll be able to see, I'll probably try to get pictures of all the ones that are similar. This one's pretty. So that lot will be available for you quilters tomorrow on my Etsy. And don't forget, guys, if you purchase from me, on my drop sale, you also get one of my handmade artist trading cards. So I hand make these with little sayings of inspiration, and then I sign them. So you'll get one of those too. So I hope you will join me tomorrow at 8 a.m. on my Etsy store for the drop sale. It will last 72 hours and come down on Saturday. If you're not sure how to get there, I have a link to my Etsy in the profile below. My Etsy link is in my Instagram profile. If you go to my link tree, it shows you my Etsy, my YouTube, my eBay. Most of my videos, any YouTube video has the link. My community tab, I usually post about the sale and have a link there, or you can just message me if you need the link. So thanks for hanging out, guys. I hope these items intrigued you, and I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.